We're at the 19th annual GS Nationals, and I'm with a gentleman who needs no introduction, Richard Lassiter, who is the guy who really got this whole thing started, as many of you know. Richard, different time, different date, different venue. Tell us about it.
We came here at National Trail. We haven't regretted it a bit. We've had a wonderful time here so far. Just a different venue, a different time. A lot of folks had mentioned the fact they wanted their kids to come, and it's something we've never tried before. So this is the first time we've actually ever held a summer event, and we wanted to come here this year and try it out, and so far it's worked just great. We've got a track management that is extremely eager to work with us, and they have done so, Gary, and we've been just very, very happy on this fourth day.
Well, that's great to hear. I understand we have record attendance again.
We do have record attendance every single day. We have filled up this entire track, as anybody here knows, and it's been wonderful, and we've given our members, we feel, their best value, and that's what we're after.